Oh, Mazda. Mazda went in the pool. What the, oh, another poop over there. Look at the poop. Oh, look at you. Mazda, look at you. Where the pup? Mazda, first one in the pool. Come on. Oh!
Now, is Mazda the one you think is the biggest?
Yeah. Yeah. You want to hear a motorcycle?
Yeah, that's a motorcycle.
And so who's with Mazda? Not Smith, is it? There it is. Oh, who's that? Is that Desi? Who's that? Oh. Chevy's in the pool. And you got, that looks like Snip. So that looks like, no, you got, no, who's in the pool? Let me see. Chevy's in the pool, and you've got, yeah,
Okay, now
you got Dodge.
the little girl. That's the girl. Okay, this is Dodge.
Oops, yep, be careful. Yeah, Dodge and Lexus. Yvonne's got Mazda over there. Oh, look, Dodge wants to give you kisses. Did he give you kisses? Did Dodge give you kisses?
Yeah, he gave me kisses before. You want to give me a kiss again?
Oh, there he goes.
Kiss. Oh, you like that shirt. Yeah. Oh, you got a button, I think. Yeah, you got a button. Uh-huh.
It's like it gets caught in their teeth.
Yeah. So that's Honda that you
Oh
hooked.
boy. I think I hooked
Oh,
the big
Gail,
one.
want to help Yvonne or somebody open the gate for him? Yeah, and open it the way it has to open towards Gary.
Well, they got teamwork going on.
Oh, you got two. You hooked two now. Which is
me
it
on, Mom.
Mazda? Oh, I think you're gonna hook three now. Oh,
Oh, oh.
it goes. It has to go in that. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're.
Where's who's kissing you now?
Oh, there's a boy with a little pink nose.
No, pink nose is a girl. Oh, but it's a
Yeah,
boy.
you got a little pink.
Oh.
You got a little pink on your nose too, don't you? Yeah.
Snip is not really. I mean, it's Chevy. People know him by Chevy.
That's Chevy.
Yeah.
Okay, so Chevy.
We call him Snip because of his collar. It's a
Oh,
snip of a
boy.
collar. Oh! You caught one, Yvonne. You caught Dodge, I think. Yeah. Oh,
I
you
got
caught two. Whoa.
Two. Now the one with the little pricky ears, is that this guy here?
Yeah.
Is that Dodge?
No, no left collar. No, that's
No
Honda
left
actually.
collar.
Oh, pooping over there. Who's kissing you, Yvonne?
I don't know. I don't know this litter. Honda.
That's Mazda. Over
Mazda's over there. There's
that Honda over there?
Mazda.
Mazda's, he's easy because he's
Now the girl.
huge.
Oh, he just stole it. Chevy just stole the hook from Lexus. Lexus. Come on, pop, 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 pop. Who's going way over there? Oh, you got a new friend. That's Mazda. Now Garrett's going to say, this one likes me too. This one likes me too. Come on, jump in the pool.
Give
Uh-oh.
me kisses, Jen.
He what? He gave you kisses? Well, at least Gary can get him used to beards. Where the pop-ups? Yvonne, you're failing at this. Come on. Keep that thing in the pool. You got to try to catch more fish at the same time. There you go. You got two. Uh-oh. Oh, Mazda. Mazda had gone in. Well, now they got to compete against the one that... the other lure. Oh! Lexus. Come on. There you go. Oh, she got it. You hooked the girl. I think that's still Lexus. Yeah. That's Lexus. Hey, where's the pop-up? Oh, look. Giving kisses. Is that still Lexus in there? Oh. Oh. You got Dodge. And you got Mazda. Von Hook Lexus. Where's the other three? That one's Mazda. What do you have? Where the... Oh, she's over there with... You got two puppies over there. Lexus is still in the pool. Where the pup up? Oh! Uh-oh, the bell. Honda. Honda's the one with the pricky ears. She's so pretty cute with those ears. There's Mazda. Oh. There goes Dodge. Don't have any stock anymore. Oh, you can get 3 in there, Yvonne. Oh! Grab the tail. Come on, pup-ups! Everybody in the pool. Well, I see Mazda's over there. Oh, the girl wants to do the pool again. Mazda and... Oh! All the boys. Get that girl over there. Gail, bring the tarp over here more.
Look at your brother.
There we go. Spread it out, Gail, so they go.
Now there's one behind you. That's a dangerous sport there.
Well, yeah, because you have to make sure nobody's going to be under your feet. And there they go. Can you spread it out, Gail? Oh, who's grabbing it? So see, that gets them used to that noise,
Yeah.
the flapping noise and stuff of a tarp.
Don't seem afraid of it at all.
Nope.
Are you done with that already?
Tugging on, Mazda's tugging on Gary's shirt. Who's over there on the tarp now? Uh-oh, here come the red ones. Oh, I think the first red one to go in, sort of, was Baby Spice. Unless I missed it. Scary Spice, you gonna go in? She says, I'm peeing at the moment. Tap that, Gail. Let's get the puppies in. Come on. Come on, get those colors puppies in there. The color Spice Girls just joined
They're just waking up.
the car, the trucks. Oh, Spice Girl. That's Scary Spice. There she goes. Oh. Uh-oh. Ginger Spice thought about it. Come on. Where the pup-ups? Come on, let's get the red ones in the pool. Come on. Get in there. Oh, you got Ginger Spice in there. Along with... Oh! Oh! Honda.
Wow, did you like that? Did you like that?
Oh, someone wants to play the magic carpet ride again. Maybe not. We got Chevy. We're going Scary Spice. Come on, Bosch Spice. Come on, get in. Come on. Gail, tap. Yeah, let's tap the edge of the pool. Get in. Oh! Whoa! Hot Spice, you gotta get in there. Come on. Uh-oh. You hooked the black one. Oh. Scary Spice is still in there. Whoa. Oh. I think the blackies are dominating in the pool. Let's get those blackies out of the pool. Come on. There's Ginger Spice playing with Gary. We need to get more reds in the pool.